In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Binance. So in order to deposit on Binance, you can either deposit through crypto or through fiat. Whichever method, this is the procedure. Once you're on the home screen, at the top left, click on the menu icon. And then you're just going to click on more services and scroll up or just search for deposit. So we are just going to click on deposit when you find it. Now you're just going to go ahead and select the coin you're trying to deposit. Let's select Bitcoin. And then you're just going to go ahead and choose a network you want to use for your deposit. Let's select this one right here. You can just go ahead and copy your deposit address and go over to wherever your coins are stored and paste the address there in order to do your deposit. You also need to take note that you need to copy this address very accurately, because if the address is not accurately copied, then your crypto is going to be lost. Also, you need to take note that your crypto is going to arrive depending on the network you're going to choose, because different networks have different traffics. You can also just go ahead and click over here on more details, and you're going to see where you're depositing your crypto to. You can just click over here and you can choose whether to deposit on your spot wallet or your funding wallet. So if we want to deposit fiat, we just need to go back to the services, and there we are going to choose deposit fiat. So when you do that, just make sure you are on deposit and not on withdraw. Once you're on deposit fiat, just go ahead and select a currency you like to deposit. So we are just going to go ahead and choose this right here, Australian dollar. And then you can pay with P2P trading, meaning you're just going to click on continue and go over to the P2P platform and buy, and it's going to be deposited right into your wallet.